get the results of having a professional proposal writer without the expense? Well, stick around. I'm going to share with you what professional proposal writers all know about how to win a contract and how you can get the same results for free. When I was a beginner, I would spend hours wordsmithing my proposals. But after hundreds of millions of dollars in government proposals and decades working with some of the country's best government contract proposal writers, I've come to understand that writing a winning proposal isn't about writing like Hemingway. The writing is actually the easy part, and I've got a video that shows you how to use AI to write your proposal. But let me share with you what the pros in this business already know. The secret sauce is getting your proposal reviewed before you submit it. All large businesses pay people to review their proposals. They know it's that essential, and it's even more essential for a business that's new to government contracting, and here's why. Lots of proposals fail because they're missing some required element, or a form wasn't filled out correctly, or they didn't fully understand the government's requirements. A reviewer who's an expert in government contracting can spot those kinds of errors, so you're not wasting your time submitting unsuccessful bids. And the best part is, this kind of review doesn't have to cost you anything. I'm going to show you 3 places where you can get a free mentor who will help spot weaknesses in your proposals and help you fix them. The first is the Apex Accelerator, and these folks are actually paid by the government to help you succeed. To get started, go to apexaccelerators.us, search for an Apex Accelerator near you, and just follow the link and sign up as a client. Now, the quality of Apex Accelerators does vary by location. In some places, they are terrific, and in other places, not so much. And that's why I've got 2 more resources for you, SBDC and SCORE. SBDC is the Small Business Development Center. To get started with them, go to americassbdc.org, enter your zip code, and click Find an Advisor. Click on the link for the location you want and request an advisor. The third organization is SCORE. Visit score.org, click Find a Mentor, and then Mentor Matchmaking, and you'll be able to search for a mentor with expertise in government contracting. The bottom line, you don't need to hire a professional proposal writer. Leverage AI for your initial draft, and then tap into these free resources for an expert review, and you'll be submitting proposals that actually win. If you want to learn how to use AI to draft your proposal, well then watch this video next. It shows you the exact prompts to use. And if you're wondering how to fill out all those government forms, well, this video shows you how to do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.